We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, power equipment group, privacy glass, dual rear wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.